Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a super common problem that frustrates a lot of Google Drive users: dealing with unsupported file types. If you've ever tried to upload a file only to get that annoying error message, don't worry. This 2025 guide will walk you through quick and easy fixes. By the end of this video, you'll have your files up and running in no time. Let's jump right in. First off, why does this happen? Google Drive supports specific file formats like PDFs, docs, JPGs, and certain videos, but files like older video formats or proprietary software files might not play nice. The good news is, fixing it is straightforward. Start by checking your file's format. Right-click the file on your computer, go to Properties, and look at the file type. If it's not supported, that's your culprit. Next, the easiest fix is to convert the file. Use free tools like online converters. For example, if it's a video, sites like Cloud Convert can change it to MP4, which Google Drive loves. Once converted, try uploading it again. If that doesn't work, head into Google Drive settings. Log in, go to Settings, in the gear icon, and ensure your account is up to date. Sometimes, updating the Google Drive app on your device fixes compatibility issues. Another step is to check your internet connection and file size. A spotty connection might cause uploads to fail, and files over 5 terabytes could be problematic, though that's rare. If you're on mobile, make sure you have the latest Google Drive app installed from the App Store. Lastly, if nothing works, try downloading the file directly from Google Drive or using Google's built-in editors to open and save it in a compatible format. There you have it. Your files should now be supported. Remember, staying on top of software updates and using standard formats prevents these headaches. If this helped you, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.